Cleftones, Real American Song, on a Real American talk show, not aimed for the foreign audience. Now, I don't mean to drag the Cleftones into this international scandal. I don't know if any of the music I play will be analyzed by the Home Office, see if it's subversive in some way. Hey, by the way, did you hear what came out? All right, so knock it off already. Did you hear what came out? Remember the story in Boston of the texting trolley driver who crashed into another train while text messaging his girlfriend? You ready for the rest of the story? He's a transgendered male, and he was hired as a minority because of his transgendered status and had 3 speeding tickets, this dirtbag. You hear the world you're living in? They were forced to hire this sick degenerate because he had surgery performed on himself. In other words, he's crazy in plain English. Crazy by any analysis. I've talked about this. You accept it. You accept it. I don't accept it. My religious teachings tell me that a man who goes to a doctor and says, I'm really a woman inside, cut my schmendrick off, and turn me into a woman is insane. The guy should be put into a fun house with soft walls and given deep therapy and Prozac and psycho drugs till he's better. Any doctor performs it should be arrested. That's how I see it. That's also a crime? Well, you can then declare the Bible a hate book. Go ahead. Get to the ultimate, because you do anyway, you sickos, you. I am a product of my religious teaching, my family upbringing, my Boy Scout background, my education, and everything else I have done and read in my life. And that's it. I'm entitled to my opinion. I don't live in your world. I live in my world, and about 30 million Americans agree with me, if not more. Now, I'm telling you, so when I say to you the texting trolley driver is a transgendered male who never should have been behind the wheel of a trolley, but he was hired as a minority because of his transgendered status. How can you call that a status, by the way? That's a status? Being an Eagle Scout is a status. Being an ex-member of the Special Forces is a status. But having your private parts cut off is not a status. It's an example of a psychic injury. So that's the world. You see, I don't like a lot of what goes on in my world today. And I speak for tens of millions of others who are also sick to their stomach over the insanity in this country. They wake up one day and they see the degenerates in the ACLU have more power than the CIA, and they know the danger they're in. They see the twisted, pervert, anti-American vermin in the ACLU now have more power than the CIA. And they wonder, how did this happen? How could they be living in a nation with degenerates in the ACLU who have always stood against America, who are working for the enemy's team? How could they have more power than the CIA? How did this come about? They ask themselves these questions every morning. So you wonder on 2 fronts, why is he so popular? Why? Because he speaks it like it is, he says it like it is, he speaks it in ways that people can understand him across the ethnic spectrum, the age spectrum, etc. People understand Michael Savage because I don't mince words. Okay, you want to mince words? Or do you want to take me on and tell me why I'm wrong? I may or may not take your call. I'm not obligated to. If you don't like what I say and you can't get on the show because you don't have the capacity to debate properly, then go blog, see if I care. Go blog, okay? You got plenty of time until the evening's activities begin. 1-800-449-8255. I raised important stuff about the Pope. No one called. Oh, there's 2. You know what I want to talk about in the next hour is the Pope not apologizing in the Middle East, and he shouldn't. The Israelis who are demanding his apology are idiots. They took an ally. You know, this is an example of a country that everything they do is wrong. What the heck is it with the Israelis? What were these liberals? He came over, he goes to the Yad Vashem Memorial, and he talks in sincere tones about the tragedy of the Holocaust. And he didn't apologize for the German people. He doesn't have to apologize. He wasn't there. He didn't do it. This is liberalism, the mental disorder, speaking from Israel. It's why Israel's hanging like a loose tooth, because there is no leadership over there. Just as we have no leadership here, and there's no leadership over there. The whole West is hanging like a loose tooth, because there are no men left to speak the truth. Those who do speak the truth are not being heard.
Savage. WIND.